Hey, it's John with Apex Auto Products. In our previous video, we showed you how to use our one-step tire and wheel cleaner to clean both the tire and the wheel simultaneously. But what if you have custom wheels that are anodized or raw aluminum? You can't use a high pH wheel cleaner. Then you want to use our pH neutral wheel cleaner, which is safe for all types of wheels. So since we're using this product and we want to clean our tires too, we'll have to use our all-purpose cleaner for the rubber portion. So wheel, rubber. Let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is we want to pre-rinse the wheel. Make sure it's cool. Rinsing the wheel actually aids us in getting the product spread evenly around on the tire and the wheel and not leaving hot spots of chemical. So we're going to come in and hit our wheel with our wheel cleaner. Then we're going to come back in and hit the tire with our all-purpose cleaner. And while we're at it, it's a good time to actually hit the fender wells with this so you can clean your fender wells and your fender liners out with the all-purpose cleaner as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit that. So we're going to let this dwell for about 1 minute to 2 minutes, and that'll give us time to get the chemical working to clean the tires, and then let the wheel cleaner react with the brake dust and get the brake dust off the wheels. So let's give it a little bit of time. So we've let this sit about 2 minutes, and so now I'm going to give a little agitation on the tires to clean the tires here. Get the white letters clean. I'm going to use our wheel brush to get the wheel clean here. Then I'm going to come in with our little detail brush, get some of the crevices around this decorative cap. Okay, at this point we're ready to rinse. Now I'm going to come back in and hit my fender wells with my fender well brush. Okay, so at this point, we're ready to dry our wheels and prep it for the dressing. There we go, so we're ready for the dressing. So I'm going to bring you in for a closer look in the fender wells. So here you go, you can see the level of clean we got for our combination of our all-purpose cleaner and our wheel cleaner. And then the all-purpose cleaner, really did a number on the fender wells, getting them ready. So now we got everything dried off. We're ready to go, and we're going to dress the tires with our water-based tire shine. So two schools of thought. Some people will miss the tire and use the applicator to come in and put it on like this. Our preferential way is to actually soak the applicator and then come in and apply the applicator to the tire to minimize the offshoot of product onto your rim. So I'm going to come in and dress the tire with the tire shine. Then come back in with our damp towel and just touch up the rim right there. As it starts to set up, we can come back in and add an additional coat to give it a little bit more shine. And that's it. That's the way to wash and dress your tires.